Hi watch fans, this is Jenna from SwissWatchExpo, and today I have an incredible selection from the Rolex Oyster Perpetual line. Stick around. Welcome back. Today I have 4 different variations of the Rolex Oyster Perpetual line, which have been extremely difficult to get your hands on, mainly because they have a very fun pop of color that have just been snatched up in the market. Everybody is loving these fun colors because Rolex is usually a little bit more traditional, and these new styles are very avant-garde and have really been picked up by clients. First one I want to start with is our 41 millimeter in the green dial. One of the things that I love about these larger models and the 36 and the 41, they're both gonna have these double indices at the 3, 6, and 9 positions. So it really stands out. It makes it very symmetric, knowing that there's no date on there. If you're the kind of person that never even looks at their date or never has it set at the right date, then this is gonna be an amazing piece for you. It just keeps the dial very clean and simple. In these larger models, we're also going to feature the 3230 movement with approximately 70-hour power reserve, which is incredible. We have a very nice slim profile. One of the great updates in these Oyster Perpetuals is going to be the 5 millimeter adjustment with no tool needed in the Easy Link clasp here. So another fantastic feature. And then we also have one of the most coveted colors is going to be the turquoise, and it is in the 41 millimeter. One thing I want to show you is this 41 is great for men or women. If you are a lady wanting something a little bit more sporty with a pop of color, I have a 6 1/4 inch wrist, and with the lugs, it fits perfectly fine on my wrist. So something a little bit fun to change up your wardrobe. The next one, we're gonna have a 36 millimeter in the candy pink dial. So it's gonna be a very neutral, pretty light color, but it's still gonna go with any outfit you may have. These really nice colors are gonna be made with lacquer over a brass dial, so you get a very nice even coloring. It's very difficult to achieve this even coloring throughout. As you know, only Rolex can achieve this kind of perfection. This one's also gonna be that 3230 movement in here. And then I'm gonna have a yellow featuring the 2232 movement. When we get into the 31 and 28 millimeter sizes, we're gonna lose the double indices just so the dial's not as crowded. So we still have a very nice feel and functionality on here. Last thing I want to note is on these Oyster Perpetuals, you're going to have a smooth, high polished bezel and brush finish on the links, which makes it extremely versatile for dressing up or dressing down. Drop us a comment below and let us know which color is your favorite.